Hey you guys, it's Molly from Molly's Artistry. I am gonna do a dip tonight with my leftover paint. I painted a couple things earlier and I had said I'm not gonna call things fails anymore, so they just didn't turn out the way that I had planned them to. So I figured, well, I have all this paint left over. Might as well do a dip. I don't know what's gonna happen here or turn out because my colors are pretty similar. I have got a maroon, metallic maroon that I made out of bronze, black, and red. I've got some black here. I've covered my canvas with my house paint. Whoa, that was a lot of black. Oh boy. Oh boy. And then I really like that gold there. I'll do a little bit more maroon over here. And I'll have white on both sides of the canvas. So I'm just going to flip these over, press down. I use the inside of one of these and just push it out. I try not to go kind of crazy angles, but more like the angles of the canvas. I don't know if you guys could see it squishing out on the sides over there. Okay, so I've got it all. I'm going to lift up, and I will show you the two sides. I'm gonna hit these with a torch real quick because my paint always gets a lot of cell action when I use the house paint. I think this is very pretty. I'm going to wipe my hands. So you guys, if you haven't already, hit the bell, subscribe. Okay, I think I like that a little bit better on that one. That one I really like the way that it is. There we go. If you don't really like your dip the way that it is, you can do anything you want to it. I really like this one though. Okay, let me take you down and I'll show you. Okay, so this is that one. Look at all those little cells that popped up in there. I really like that one. So that'll be A. B, not so much. B's a little wonky. So I tell you what I might do. I might balloon dip B. So hold on one second. So yeah, I definitely don't like the way that B ended up coming out. But the way to save that, the way to save anything really is a balloon dip, right? I've already got a lot of paint on here. I'm just gonna put a little bit of black. I think I had a lot of white on it. When I first did the dip. Yeah, I like this much better. It's my quarter turn dip. So if you kind of swirl your balloon, you get a different effect in the center. I think I want a little bit of gold right there, right there. Okay. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay, I like that better. So now I've got two that are kind of similar but different, and I like that. So you got to see two different techniques. Let me see if I can take you down without turning you off this time. So there is that one. And there is that one. So that's A. Definitely like A better. And that is B. All right, so stick around because I might do something else with this canvas. Okay, so I have just puddle poured my same colors on there. And I'm gonna have just a little bit of black right here and a little bit of black right there. And that's it for composition. So I'm going to spread this around. Oh, my black went off the side. And a little bit more black right there then. So when you don't like something, you just keep working at it. And that is how you create beautiful things. Or maybe not so beautiful things, but. Okay, now I'm gonna just twisting ever so slightly. I really like that one. I'm not going to touch that one. There we go. Okay, I like that one a lot now. So let me show you the final on the other one. Sorry, this was a long video, guys. So I actually like the way that turned out. It's very soft. I still like this one better. But that one I really like now. All right, you guys, thanks for watching me mess around. I appreciate you sticking around with me if you did. All right, have a good night. Happy painting. Bye.